Bioaccumulation of trace metals in two species of crabs from Chilika Lagoon, east coast of India. This article is written by 3 authors. First author Chilika Lagoon. Second author Pramaitli Priyadarsini. Last author Sharma Sadia Bratadas. Contribution and originality of the study is that, this study is one of the very few studies which have been investigated into edible crabs from Chilika Lagoon. The local communities, the star hotels and other consumers will come to know that crab flesh is not having high concentration of the 4 trace metals for human consumption. The present study was conducted to determine heavy metal concentration, Mn, Fe, Cu and Zn, in body organ of 2 important species of crab, Chilika serrata and Porcinus pelagicus, from Chilika Lagoon. The heavy metal concentration observed in the muscles, body carapace and leg carapace. The highest length was 13.2 centimeters and weight was 238.52 grams observed in Chilika serrata. The highest length and weight of Porcinus pelagicus was 8.5 centimeters and 92.3 grams. The metal concentration of Mn, Fe, Cu and Zn in the leg carapace varied from 4.2 to 5.5 parts per million, 16.6 to 18.4 parts per million, 5.7 to 9.5 parts per million and 152 to 211 parts per million dry weight respectively. Similarly, the concentration of metals in the muscle were in the range of 3.8 to 5.1 parts per million, 14.4 to 17.5 parts per million, 4.8 to 7.4 parts per million and 129 to 188 parts per million dry weight for Mn, Fe, Cu and Zn respectively. Metal concentrations in the body carapace of the above metals varied from 3.8 to 5.3 parts per million, 15.2 to 18.2 parts per million, 5.8 to 8.6 parts per million and 152 to 193 parts per million dry weight respectively. The concentration of metals was lowest in the muscle as compared to other organs. Chilika serrata contained higher concentration of metals in the muscle as compared to Porcinus pelagicus. There was no correlation between body size and heavy metal concentration. The metal concentration found in the present study was lower to metal concentration levels of crab collected from other parts of the world. Therefore, there is no public health problem if the crabs will consume it. Thanks for watching this abstract video of Journal of Atmosphere Volume 1 Issue Number 1.